theorem, it tells us that if x is equals to c, p of c is equals to r. So, this means na kapag sinubstitute natin yung c na yon sa ating polynomial, ay ang magiging sagot doon, that will be the remainder, where x minus c is our divisor. Ngayon, let's have the factor theorem. Factor theorem tells us that x minus c is a factor of our polynomial, which is the p of x, if the p of c is equals to 0. So, kung ang remainder natin ay 0, masasabi natin na yung ating binomial ay factor ng ating polynomial. So, let's now first find what is our c, o ano yung isa-substitute natin sa ating polynomial. So, remember, x minus 2 is equals to 0. And then, by applying the addition property of equality, we will be adding both sides by 2. Kasi, para mawala yung negative 2 dito sa side. So, that is x is equals to 2. So, our c is equals to 2. Now, we will be getting p of 2. By substituting it to our polynomial, which is x raised to 4 plus 2x cubed minus 37x squared plus 82x minus 48. So, let's substitute first. So, 2 raised to 4 plus 2x cubed plus, Punta natin ng 2 minus 37 times the square root of 2 plus 82 times 2 minus 48. Okay? And then, let's do now the operation. Exponent muna tayo. So, this is 16 plus 2 times 8 minus 37 times 4 plus 164. This time, multiplication to, and then minus 48. And then we have 16 plus 16 minus 7 times 4 is 28. 148 plus 164 minus 48. Okay, and then combine muna natin yung mga same sign, which is ito and then ito. So we have, this becomes 32. Let's add this, so 6, 196. And then yung negative natin, i-combine din natin. So negative 8 plus 8, 16, correct. Okay, so since our p of 2 is equals to 0, then we could say, or therefore, we could say that x minus 2 is a factor of our polynomial, which is x raised to 4 plus 2x cubed minus 37x squared plus 82x minus 48. So that is the factor theorem. Find the value of k so that x minus 2 is a factor of x cubed minus 2x squared minus kx plus 6. So this time you are asked to find for the value of k on our polynomial. So doon may k. At masasabi daw, para daw masabi natin that x minus 2 ay factor daw ng ating polynomial. So, factor ang ating divisor ng ating polynomial if and only if our remainder is 0. So, this time, ang gagawin natin ay 0 is equals to our p of c. Para malaman natin or mahanap natin what will be the value of our k. So, Let's now find for the value of our k. So let's write 0 is equals, or pwede namang p of c muna. So, dahil x minus 2 ito, let's find our c by adding both sides by 2. Again, this is APE. So, x is equals to 2. So, our c is 2. So, isa-substitute natin dito sa ating formula. So, 2 cubed minus 2 times 2 squared minus yung k, yan yung hinahanap natin, and then times 2 plus 6. Again, this is 0 because yung ating divisor daw ay factor ng ating quotient. So, we have 8 minus 2 times 4 minus 2k plus 6. So, we have 8 minus 8 minus 2k plus 6. 8 minus 8 will give us 0. So, ito, iwan natin yung negative 2k na yan on this side by adding both sides, or subtracting both sides, negative 6 kasi positive 6 to. Or ako, usually, ang ginagawa ko, nag-transpose ko. But since sa math ay we need to apply the addition property of equality, let's just subtract 6 on both sides. So we have negative 6 is equal to negative 2k. So 6 minus 6 will give us 0. And then, multiplication property of equality is multiplying by the reciprocal ng kasama ng variable na hinahanap natin. Pero ako usually, at yung tuturo ko sa mga students ko, it could be dividing both sides kung ano yung kasama ng variable na hinahanap. So our k is equals to negative 0 and negative 2 will give us positive. So that is our k. And you could check if your answer is correct. Replace lang natin yun sa ating k. And then, substitute ulit natin yung c natin. And yung remainder must be equal to 0. Kasi nga, sinabi factor ng x minus 2. So this is how you will check. I will just show it in fast forward.
We'll be right back.